Hi everyone, today let us study about the skeletal system. Here I have drawn the rough diagram of a skeletal system. This skeletal system is a framework of a bone that gives the shape and size to a body, and it also protects the inner organs of a body. For example, the skull protects the brain. Here is the different parts. Here is a skull, pectoral girdle, rib cage, arms, backbone, pelvic girdle, legs. Today let us study the parts of a skeletal system one by one. Let us start. This skull, bone structure that is present in the head. This skull contains the 22 bones. What is the uses of these bones? The 8 bones that protects the brain and remaining 14 bones that covers the face. You can see the next, the backbone. Here you can see the backbone. This backbone is present in the middle part of the back that supports the entire body. This backbone contains 33 of small bones and they are known as the vertebra, and they are formed as a column. They are known as a vertebral column. This vertebral column is attached to the upper part of a body and the lower part of a body, isn't it? What is the uses of this backbone? It helps us to bend, it helps us to twist, isn't it? Yes. Here is a rib cage. This is a cage-like structure. You can see here, this is a cage-like structure present below the shoulder and that ends at the waist region. It forms of 12 pairs of bones called as ribs, and this rib is very thin flat-like structure that is connected to the backbone from the back side, and from the front it is connected to the chest bone known as sternum. The last 2 pairs of the rib is not connected to the front part, the sternum, only they are connected to the backbone. So they are also called as a floating ribs. What is the uses of this rib cage? They protect the inner organs, the important inner organs, that is lungs and the heart. Next, let us see the bones in the limbs, inner limbs. Okay, there is a 2 pairs of limbs, the forelimbs and the hind limbs. The forelimbs are called as the arms and the hind limbs are called as the legs. Okay, what is the uses of these forelimbs and hind limbs? They help us to walk, to ride, to do the things, to pick up the things, isn't it? And these hind limbs helps the entire body weight, bears the entire body weight, these limbs, and they are very long. Yes, girdle is a bone or a group of bone that connects the center part of a body. There are 2 types of girdles, pectoral girdles and pelvic girdles. Okay, this pectoral girdle is also called as shoulder girdles. Why? It is present in the shoulder region. These pectoral girdles connect the forelimb to the rib cage and the backbone. And this pelvic girdle is also called as hip girdle. They are present in the hip region. So they are called as. This pelvic connects the hind limbs to the rib cage and the backbone. And this skeletal system of bones contains the joints. When 2 or more bones are connected, they are known as the joint. Yes, there are many joints in the skeletal system. These joints helps the body to move. And there is a 2 types of joints in the skeletal system. One is movable joint and another is immovable joint. What is movable joint? When the bone is attached to a joint with respect to each other, they are called as movable joint. All the body parts of bones are movable joints. And what is immovable joints? The bones which are readily attached to the joint with respect to each other is known as immovable joint. For example, the skull. The skull is immovable joint. Okay. So this is a short brief explanation of the skeletal system. I have drawn the rough diagram of a skeletal system. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.